This is the first map which we are using to train the car to go on the path from the beginning to end. And when it reaches the or it gets any dislocation, what it does is it will try to go on the next generation. Now presently the only one car is alive, and there are now it is third generation now. So and in the beginning we had 20 cars being alive, meaning 20 cars were left. So when the each generation passes, we'll try to make the cars more efficient. Now as you can see, one car is going very fastly, and now this is the fourth generation. So this is a simple map. Now let's try with the complex map. Now let's go with the second map, which is a little bit complex than the earlier version. So as you can see, this is a very difficult one to get through. So what the cars were doing were happening here itself. They were crashing itself. Now the model has trained itself to not crash in that place. So it is going through the paths, and as you can see, if it crashes in some place, a new generation comes up. So this is going efficiently right now. Now it crashed. Now there is another generation. Now let's try another map with a more complex model. So now this is the another map which is a little bit complex than earlier one. So as you can see how the cars are crashing here at this particular part. So as now it has got again, so it crashed here. So now again the cars are there, they are moving, and as soon as it crashes, another generation comes up. So this is a little bit complex than the earlier model. It's going and going and going. It crashes here somewhere. See, it crashes here. So new generation comes up. So at the beginning there are 20 cars which are left. So again it crashed. What it is doing, it is learning a bit by bit. So earlier it crashed here, again it will crash here, and it will crash here. So it will just try to curve this place. See, now one car curved, so it got alive. So it will learn from that, and now it is going to be turning point. See. Now let's try with a more complex map. So now this is a little more complex than the third one which we tried. So as you can see, the cars are crashing right here, and it is trying to learn, the model is trying to learn how to not crash in that particular place. See. It is currently at 12th generation right now. So it is going a little bit faster. It tried to curve and it reached there, and again. So this is going well. Hope it does not crash. Oh, yeah. Okay. So it did not crash. So now let's try to analyze the code from the beginning. Now let's try a little more complex map than the earlier one. As you can see, this is a lot complex than the earlier one.
We can't even see the generation.
Can't even see the generation which it is in presently right now. My approximation to reach this point is about 4 minutes. Let's see how long it takes.
1.
So my guess was absolutely wrong, because right now it is 2:10 and we began the process at 2:06 and it still did not cross the boundary. So this is a little more complex, and if we try to run this, I am guessing about half an hour it will take to reach the start point. So this is a little more complex version than the earlier one.